You can see here on Microsoft, when the yellow line was crossing the purple line on Monday, I was talking about had you picked up a call at the beginning of the day, you could have probably been pretty satisfied with a $200 Microsoft call. So as you can see, from Monday into Tuesday, Microsoft actually closed above. It closed right around 203. So had you actually picked up that call, you would have got 2-3x on whatever your initial investment is. I believe the contracts were pretty close to about $200. So, if you were able to pick up like 5 contracts, which is about $1,000, you could have got $3,000 on a one-day swing trade as this yellow line crosses purple line. So I've been talking about this all week. It's definitely hit my mark, and I think after some time, the Microsoft price will probably drop down a little bit just because the rapid rising probably dropped down somewhere around here to like 299, 298, and then after that it'll test the 203 mark again, and the third time it tests it, I'm pretty sure it'll probably send Microsoft pretty much to I'm going to say 205 to 208, maybe even 210, and that's pretty much going to be an all-time high for Microsoft. Never really been that high, but Microsoft is definitely booming during this COVID crisis. So this is definitely a stock I would be watching, and I'm probably going to play some contracts on it in the future. I'm just going to wait for this yellow line to go through the purple line going down. That's how I know that it's going to go down, and I'll be able to buy the calls as it goes sideways from there. Overall, SPY looks like it is going up, so I'm really happy about SPY going up. You can see on the 4-hour period with the SPY, you can see the yellow line and the purple line never went through the gravitational line, which is this pink line going down. They're actually bouncing off the gravitational line, they're going up. So this is a good sign that we're pretty much heading into bull territory. I was a little afraid thinking we'd go into bear territory, but it looks like the tides have turned. I'm pretty sure that from here on out, SPY is going to keep testing 310. And as it continuously tests 310, if it can break through that mark, it's going to send it up to 315-ish. If it can break there, we're going to go to 320. After 320, I think we're pretty much on our way to recovery from the recession. We have a very good chance that this should happen in the next month or so. We're looking at the end of July, July heading into August, and August heading into September. I do know if the cruise lines do start opening up in September, we're going to see this rally start to approach 320, pretty much in the middle of August. And as we go into September, I'm pretty sure that SPY is going to go pretty close to 340, just because the cruise lines, the airlines are all going to open back up. And I feel like as the economy goes up and as there's more development for remedies against the COVID-19 crisis, I believe that the market's going to continuously rise. And I feel like I'm going to be a lot more comfortable with buying calls during this time as far as S&P 500 stocks. But as far as safe bets right now, I'm going to go with my BDCs and FANG companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple and Facebook. So looking right here at Facebook, you can see Facebook had a really, really big rally since Monday. You can see it was right down here, right around 206, and now it's at 226. So you can see if you were able to pick up the call right here, and over 2 days, you would have made almost like 8x. So it's really, really high chance of money. I would say 8x is really great. So $1,000 go to $8,000. Very, very simple, very easy. As far as VIX volatility, now that the SPY has shown a reversal, we can see that the VIX volatility is finally going down, which is indicating the market recovery is good. So I would be more bullish as far as any of my trades. I guess that glitched. You can definitely see right here on the 4-hour period, the yellow line and the purple line are beginning to cross the gravitational line going down for VIX, indicating we are in bull market territory, which is good for buying calls. Once again, my position is GSBD. Sorry, I'm typing with one hand. And I had that position, and I have the 45-cent ex-dividend. So long as I bought it at 10.44, as long as it doesn't go below 15.99, I'm still profitable. So 45-cent dividend plus what I have right now, I'm pretty much up 24 cents a share on GSBD. And I'm going to wait this out for a little bit until the SPY fully goes through this pink line, because once it happens, I know we are going to be in bull territory, and then I'll be able to play options. So I'm pretty much expecting to sell off GSBD either tomorrow or Thursday. But nonetheless, I will be really happy to just hold it as well, because you can see as this yellow line is getting closer to this purple line, as it crosses, there usually is a really great amount of buying that goes on. So the last time it was down here and it crossed, it went from 16.50 to right around 17.81, almost $80 or $18. From here, it's pretty much the same thing. It's bottomed out, so I'm pretty much expecting a price target around 17. Now, if I do need cash flow for one of my trades a lot sooner than that, then for sure I'm going to sell GSBD right away and make one of those option trades. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, and I'll give you guys an update from then on.